Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a new payment method on Facebook ads step by step. So in your case, your ad account will go ahead and look something like this. Now to simply add a payment method, all you have to do is to simply navigate through your page right here. And right after, you then want to head over to the payment methods. Now this is only a demo account, so there's not much setting on my business account right here, but in your case there will be a lot of setting where you have to navigate through the payment method. Inside this specific page, you just want to click on the add business payment method, click on the add button, and from there you then want to click on next. After clicking on next, you will be able to now insert your payment method. So in my case, I'm using my country, which is Philippines and US dollar. Click on the next button, and from there you will be able to insert your new payment method. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.